Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got this Glueless install, and yes, I said Glueless. So I haven't used any form of glue, like as in not Got To Be, not Ghost Bond, not what's the other one, Bold Hold. I haven't used any. So if you guys want to see how I installed my wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. This wig is from Westkiss Hair and they sent me their straight transparent lace wig in the length 26 inches and it's 200 density. So this wig is very thick, like it's really full. Yeah, and I really love this wig. I love this wig. I'm impressed with the lace, the fact that I haven't glued down my wig and the lace looks this good. That is amazing. Okay, so like I'm very happy. So anyway, if you guys want to see how I got my wig to be glueless, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Murder, got me screaming murder, murder, 'cause you're killing me. Big boy, you could be my lover, show you things that you never heard of, baby. I know you want to go downtown. Go down, baby. I can tell the way you date, you want it now. Champagne dripping on his wristwatch, but this should roll low, 'cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup, but he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Champagne dripping on his wristwatch, but this should roll low, 'cause the drivers want to watch. I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup, but he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Oh, yeah. Said he want to roll with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with me? Make your body say, hey, whoa, whoa. Come over here. Come and ginger me, yes. Oh, yeah. Heat it up for me, yes. 'Cause I know you got the recipe, yeah. Nobody gonna do the thing that you do. Come and take this ride. Be my chauffeur. Be my chauffeur. You know today we will talk too much. Actions speak louder than words.
Okay, so I'm going to be installing the wig for you guys, and this is the wig right here, as you guys can see. I feel like me adding the crimps to the hair kind of gives it a yucky texture. The first thing I'm going to do to help this blend in is I'm going to apply my foundation on the lace. So this is what the inside of the cap looks like. As you guys can see, it comes with combs inside and an elastic band. So what I've done to make this wig glueless is I've basically done like crisscross with the elastic band that comes with the wig, and I got this from Get Glam with Coco on YouTube. I'm gonna leave her name on the screen, and she basically had, I can't remember if it was a lace front wig or if it was a mini frontal that she had, and this is exactly what she did, and it made her wig glueless. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna start doing this from now on, guys. No lie, it actually works. It actually works. So basically you just take the elastic band from this side and you put it in on one of the hooks on the other side, and then you take the elastic band from this side and you put it in on the other side. So basically like crisscross the elastic band. And I've also gone ahead to add my own elastic band to the wig, and what I did was I placed my elastic band where the combs are. So that's how you get a glueless basically. So if you're trying to get your wigs to be glueless, just place your elastic band where the combs are on the sides, and then there you have it, literally. So I'm just going to cut off some of the lace because I don't want it to mess up my brows. I have already cut off the lace on the sides just to make things easier for me, because showing you guys stuff on camera is a bit difficult at times, I won't lie. So and that's why sometimes my lace installs don't come out great, because obviously the way my setup is done and how I'm sat and I'm proper trying to show you guys everything, it makes it a bit difficult. So I've decided I would just like try and do whatever I can do to make things easier once I'm sat in front of the camera. So I think it might help to actually use a darker powder than your skin tone, so maybe like your contour powder or something. You can clearly see the difference. So I think I am going to go in with a darker powder to help the lace like blend in a bit more. Okay, so guys, I've just applied the darker powder, and when I place it down you can literally see how it obviously blends in a lot better. So the next thing to do now would be for me to apply some hair mousse. I'm going to apply my Apogee hair mousse.
I'm on day break night, chilling in my cup, but he want to lick up, drinking all the liquor, baby. Pain dripping on his wristwatch, so we should roll up. look up. Say you want to look up, you can all look up, baby. Oh, yeah, yeah. Said he want to roll with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with me? Can you roll with me, yeah? Yeah, yeah. The way you love me, say yeah, yeah. The way you touching me, say yeah, yeah. Make your body say.
And then I'm just gonna leave this on for about 20 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna take off the elastic band and I'm hoping that the lace is fully set. Let's see.
You gonna do the things that you do. Come and take this ride. Be my chauffeur. Be my chauffeur. You know today we will talk too much. Actions be like.
Guys, my lace is set and it's not moving anywhere. I'm just gonna comb out the hair.
Here I come. You can hide away. I will find you and make you lose control.
So now I'm just gonna do some very light baby hairs at the front. You guys can see the side is still flipping up. You probably have to use Got To Be spray, but that's the whole point of me wearing the hair as a middle parting today, because I plan on having my hair like this anyway, so you're not really going to see the sides. I'm not lying, the wig feels very secure, so you don't have to worry about your wig going anywhere, even though it's not glued down 100%. So I'm just going to cut some baby hairs.
You will dream some more.
Dreaming, girl.
I'll ride for you. I'll die for you, baby. Give it all to you.
Give it all to
All
me.
to you. It's a body to.
So I'm just going to grab my olive oil grip gel and I'm just going to use this to lay the baby hairs down, and I feel like this is going to obviously help to give it a bit more security, should I say.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can I get the touch?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Can I roll with you, girl?
Said he want to roll with me, yeah. Baby, can you go with me? Baby, can you go with me? Can you roll with me, yeah?
Okay, so that is me done, and guys, I feel like this technique is going to be my new go-to, literally, because it's not every day Got To Be, it's not every day bold hold, what's the other one, it's not every day ghost bond. I'm trying to save my edges. My hair's actually been growing back, that's the thing, so this is definitely gonna be my new method, like mate. And the fact that I can just come back home, take off my wig and I'm good to go, listen, that's amazing. That is amazing. And my hair still looks laid, okay? It still looks very, very laid. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you picked up one or two things. I really like this hairstyle, and obviously the whole crimp thing, I love it. I think I'm gonna add this hairband. I was gonna leave it like this, but I think I'm gonna add this hairband actually. I think this is so cute, guys. Oh my god. This is what the back is looking like. So yeah guys, that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you picked up one or two things. I'm so happy with this wig from West Kiss Hair, because the lace literally melts in and it's not even glued down. It's literally, I've only used my hair mousse today, and just how the hair looks as well, I love it. I love the crimps. I love the crimped style. By the way, the wig is very long, by the way. I think this is 26 or 28 inches, but obviously you guys can't see it now. I'll try and make some videos and obviously insert clips here and there so you guys can see. But yeah, so I hope you guys picked up one or two things. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and don't forget to share, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.